Meaning of harmlessly.
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 Harmlessly. The word harmlessly means that something is done without causing harm or injury. When an action is done harmlessly, it does not cause any negative consequences or damage to people, animals, or objects involved. For example, if a child is playing with a harmless toy, it would mean that the toy would not be able to cause any injury to the child or anyone around them. Harmlessness can also refer to the lack of negative effects on the environment. Overall, performing an action harmlessly means doing so in a safe and non-destructive way.